Packing for a trip with a baby can feel like an impossible task. You're juggling diapers, wipes, bottles, toys, and a whole lot more. Imagine trying to squeeze everything into a suitcase, only to find you're missing essential gear because you ran out of space. The stress of traveling with a baby is real, especially when you're dealing with bulky, inconvenient gear. But what if there was a way to simplify packing and make travel a breeze? That's where travel-friendly baby gear comes in. Let's start with the essential. The diaper bag. But forget the bulky traditional models. This is a game changer. It's compact, lightweight, and packed with clever features. Imagine a bag with dedicated compartments for diapers, wipes, bottles, and even snacks. It comes with a built-in changing pad for quick and easy diaper changes anywhere. Plus, it's versatile. Transform it from a backpack to a tote bag, or even hang it on your stroller with a hook. This diaper bag is your ultimate travel companion, keeping all your baby essentials organized and accessible. Now let's tackle the space-consuming gear. Traditional strollers can take up a ton of luggage space, but this lightweight, compact stroller folds up effortlessly, making it easy to carry and store. It's perfect for navigating airports and crowded streets, and it even fits in overhead compartments. And for bedtime, this travel crib is a lifesaver. It sets up in seconds and packs down into a tiny bag, freeing up precious space in your suitcase. No more bulky, cumbersome cribs that take forever to assemble. With these space-saving essentials, you can pack light and still have everything you need for a comfortable trip. When you're on the go, keeping your little one comfortable is key. This portable baby seat is a lifesaver for restaurants and airplanes. It provides a secure and cozy spot for your baby to sit and enjoy their meal or relax during a flight. And for those moments when you need your hands free, this ergonomic baby carrier is a must-have. It's designed to support your baby's natural posture and distribute weight evenly, providing maximum comfort for both you and your little one. Imagine strolling through a bustling market or exploring a new city with your baby happily nestled in the carrier, hands-free and worry-free. So there you have it. Travel-friendly baby gear is designed to simplify packing, make travel easier, and keep your little one comfortable. With a compact diaper bag, space-saving stroller and crib, and comfortable seating options like a portable baby seat and ergonomic carrier, you can enjoy your adventures with less stress and more fun. Remember, traveling with a baby shouldn't be a chore. It's an opportunity to create new memories and explore the world together. Embrace the journey and enjoy every moment with your little one.